China is delivering offensive weapons as well as additional defensive arms to Iran, with the U.S. on the cusp of launching an attack on the Islamic Republic, 3 officials familiar with the matter told Middle East Eye. One Arab official familiar with the deliveries described the offensive weapons as small systems. Another regional intelligence official said Beijing had sent loitering munitions, or kamikaze drones, to the Islamic Republic. A second Arab official who spoke with ME confirmed the deliveries of offensive weapons as well as the air defense systems. Reuters reported in September that Chinese kamikaze drones appeared in Sudan's battlefield. ME revealed exclusively in July that China had supplied surface-to-air missile batteries to Iran following the 12-day war that culminated in the U.S. striking 3 Iranian nuclear facilities. The 2 Arab sources and a regional intelligence official familiar with the matter told ME that China has continued to supply air defense assets to Iran since the summer. The regional intelligence official listed the Chinese systems in Iran's possession as the HQ-16 and HQ-17AE. Supplying attack drones could also be a way for Beijing to provide some offensive support to Iran while it weighs selling more sophisticated missiles. The regional intelligence source told ME that the 2 states are also in discussions over Iran purchasing China's DF-17 hypersonic glide missile. Although Iran's ballistic missiles have similar ranges, the DF-17 has better maneuverability, which can help it evade air defense systems. ME reported that Iran has paid China for the air defense systems in the form of oil shipments. It's unclear how Iran has paid for the loitering munitions. The U.S. Energy Information Administration suggested in a report in May that 90% of Iran's crude and condensate exports flow to Beijing.